Hello children, welcome back to part 3 of the chapter Resources. This is me Manu Antony from Bhavan's Gandhi Vidyashram. In the part 1 and part 2 we were discussing the chapter Resources, and in this video we will be discussing the text back answers of this chapter Resources. Before going into that, we will see what we have discussed so far. So we started the chapter by defining what a resource is. If an object or substance is usable, beneficial and profitable, then it is called a resources. And these resources satisfy our needs. Then we discussed different types of resources. Resources were generally classified into natural, human-made and human resources. Then we discussed what a natural resource is. Resources that are drawn from nature and used without much modification are called natural resources. Then we divided natural resources into renewable resources and non-renewable resources. Renewable resources are those which get renewed or replenished quickly. Non-renewable resources are those which have a limited stock, and once the stocks are exhausted, it may take thousands of years to be renewed or replenished. Then we discussed human-made resources. They are made by humans with the help of natural resources. Then we discussed human resources. Man in itself is a big resource. Men have the technology, knowledge and skill to make the best use of resources. That is why human beings are a special resource. Education and health help in making people a valuable resource. Then we went on to discuss human resource development. That means improving the quality of people's skills so that they are able to create more resources out of the existing resource. And the last 2 or 3 topics where we discussed regarding the conserving resources and how to conserve resources and sustainable development. So let's see what we discussed in conserving resources. Using resources carefully and giving them time to get renewed is called resource conservation. And sustainable development is careful utilizing resources so that besides meeting the requirements of the present, we have to take care of the future generations also. Then the last topic that we discussed was how to conserve resources. There are different ways by which we can conserve resources, like proper use of the resource that is available, not to waste water, not to waste electricity. These are the different ways by which we can conserve resource. So these were the things that we discussed so far. Now we will start discussing the text back answers. First question: why are resources distributed unequally over the earth? The resources are distributed unequally over earth because the distribution depends on variety of factors such as terrain, climate and altitude. So these physical factors determine the distribution of resources in various places, and the level of development and technological levels also determine the distribution. This is the answer to the first question. Second question: what is resource conservation? Resource conservation means using resource carefully and giving them time to get renewed. This needs to be done because resources are limited and exhaustible. Since the resources are limited and exhaustible, all the existing resources need to be given time to get renewed. Okay? Third question: why are human resources important? Human resources are important because they can make the best use of nature to create more resources. Also, the development of other resources solely depend upon human resources, as they do so by applying knowledge, skill and technology. So it's a man who uses his knowledge, skill and technology to upgrade the existing resources. The last question is, what is sustainable development? balancing the need to use resources and also conserve them for the future is called sustainable development. In simpler words, it means careful utilization of resources so that not only it meets the present requirements but also takes care of the need of future generations. So we shouldn't finish everything together now, but we should sustain it for the future generations. That's known as sustainable development. That's it for today. Thank you, children. From the next video, we will start the new chapter. Bye and stay safe.